name's Ben Barnes. I'm the owner of Shoreline LLC. We've been in business since 2004. With this project, we're installing a URC total control system so we can integrate lighting, shades, security, HVAC, and remote services to be able to control your system locally or remotely. We'll also integrate Sonos into the system, which can be controlled through the control system or independently from iPad control, getting away from standard wall controls and receivers. So everything's now going to network-based systems. We'll also have a Luxel Wi-Fi controller system in this house because it's necessary for all the access points we'll need to cover.
So when we start the project, we actually get something called temporary power. Temporary power is actually brought in to the site and put on a temporary pole. That's what they call it, temporary power, with a meter. So the electric company knows how much energy we're using during construction. Then what happens is the main meter goes in and then sub-panels. So the main meter here will have 600 amps of power coming into the house, which is then split to 200 amps each. Each one of these panels goes back to specific spots in the house we call home runs. The reason they're run like this is that this house is very unique. It has a 1 unit, 60 kilowatt Cummins liquid cooled generator. Power goes out, generator kicks on immediately and conditions and runs the entire house. That way we have no power drop anywhere on the project of this house, and these panels actually kick in to produce the energy. And as you can see here, we're in the laundry room, and this panel is one of the 200 amp panels. The reason we split it up such is that the home runs, we call them, this large, thicker cable, which runs all of 200 amps, goes all the way back to the garage panel. That way, it's easy for us to not make clear runs all the way back. So now we're standing in the kitchen, and we want you to get a glimpse of the ceiling. There's a lot of stuff going on here before we drywall. You'll actually see lights going in here, okay? You'll see data connection cables that go throughout the house, especially the bundle that's above me on the left. You also see speaker wires that are hanging down, cameras, CO2 sensors, heat sensors, and alarm systems. So all this stuff has to be put in right after we spray and before we actually drywall. So it's very important to make sure all our things are in the wall before we close it in.